Hi, welcome to another new video, and today's our topic is how to create website in Wix.com. And Wix is one of the free platform where we can create a website. So in here you can see we are in Wix.com. I will share the link in the description. You will find out this from that place. So right now you need to be create an account. Also you can say they have all the necessary documents in here. You can read it one by one. So let's see the pricing option where you can see their plan. So this is a free plan. We are going to start here, but they also provide some premium plan like $17 monthly, where you have more options. Then they have business plan, core plan, and business elite plan. So you have the option to choose your desired plan. So right now we will use the free plan. So let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you need to click on get started. If you have any account, so don't need to be create another, so just go and log into your account. But I don't have any account yet, so I will create an account by my Gmail. So I will click in the continue with Google option, and then a pop-up will become here, and I will choose my Gmail, and it will take a while, and then they will give me option where I can sign into Wix. Just click on continue. It will take a while, and they will redirect me to the Wix dashboard. So you can see that we already completed our website. So in here they are telling us let's get started and choose one why you are going to creating your website. So in here they give us two options: for myself, my business, or a friend; for a client, as a freelancer or agency. So I will choose for myself, and then click on continue. Then second option will become here: bring your idea with AI. So I don't want any AI right now, so I will set up without chat. Just click here, click over here, and then they will give us third option where what type of website do you want to create. So I will choose online store, then continue. It will take a while, then they are preparing my dashboard, so we need to be wait a while again. So you can see it is loading, and right now our website dashboard has been completed. So they are asking for set up a store name, so I will give a name that will be e-commerce, and enough. I will click on the continue. Then they will tell us, do you have an online store? So I will say that no, I am just starting out. Just click over here and then click on continue. And third one will be what kind of products are you going to selling. I will sell physical product and digital product. Also I may introduce dropshipping product also. So I will click these three options, and then I will click on continue. Then the fourth step will be how are you offering your products. So I will say online store, then click on continue, and we are all set up. So we can go on our dashboard right now. So continue to dashboard. So it will take a time again, and then you can see they are telling us welcome MDL. So we need to be go on design side. Click on here. So when you will click here, they will redirect you to the website design. So in here they're telling us that how would you like to design your website. So from here you can generate a design with AI. It means artificial intelligence, but right now we can customize the template. So here we already provided us some template, it around 1,000 of design. So we can pick up one design and we can continue with this design with our website. So we can continue with that design. So just click on pick a template, or you can continue with setup for now. I will go over with this one, continue with setup for now. Just click here, and then the next system will be arrive in front of us. So our setup has been completed for now. So again just go on e-commerce and click here, go to all sites. After click on here, they will give you an option where you can see this is your site. So click here, select site option, and then they will again redirect us to connect a custom domain. So we don't want to connect any custom domain, so we will click here design site option, and we will pick a template. Without picking a template, we are not able to go further. So here you can see we have options to select a template. So you can see for e-commerce you have this kind of option, for creative you have this kind of option, for community you can select here this kind of options. So I will select e-commerce option. So I will check out the fashion and clothing options. So let's dive into this one, and then I will pick a design which is eye-catching for me. So let's scroll and then see. So I will choose a design which is I think will be good for my website, will be the first one. Let's view it. It is really a easy process, and you can see use this template as a starting point. Change anything you want to make this your website. So edit this site. As you can see, the website is really eye-catching and the website interface is really organized. So you can see you can edit the site from scratch. So and also let's check the responsible. So the website is mobile friendly too, so it will be good for us to get a responsible website here. So as you can see, I will work on here. So I can change designs from this place. So here I don't want to any generate text by AI, so I will do it by manually. So here you can see we can change our image quick edit. By clicking quick edit, we can change our section background, then we can change the text title and also paragraph. But right now I just don't want to do anything here. I will change image after a while. So here is an option in the left corner. You can see we have an add element option. By clicking this add element option, we have the access to add different kind of elements on our website. Let's introduce you with some of them. So you can add images here or button. Let's click button, then text icon button. Like I want to add this button, it's looking really nice. So I will click here and it will become over here. So I will drag down and set up here. So you can see it is really easy, and then I will click on publish. Once I click on publish, my site will be asked for the name. I will give a name that will be e-commerce, and then I will save and continue. Once I click save and continue, it will take a time and then it will be saved. Your site is saved. You can see they provide us a message. So right now we can view it. So click on the preview. Once we click on the preview, it will take a time and then they will provide us the website, our interface. As you can see, our shop button has been associated with our home page. So this is really easy. And then again go back to editor option. Let's introduce you guys with new elements, like you can add or create a new pages by clicking here. So here you can create a new page. Like I am going to create a page about contact, so I will create an add page button. Once I click on add page button, I will find out is there have any default template for contact. Yes, I found out one, that is contact. Once I click on contact, they will give me some suggestion or some design. So in here you can select some contact page from here, or you can select it from the blank, it means the scratch. So I don't will invest my further time in here. I will select a design from that place. So I will select this one. Let's preview it first and then I will choose one. So this was really looking really good. So I will click on add page. So you can see a pop-up come over here and it is telling us that adding your page preparing for good. And right now our page has been published and our page is now fully operable. So we can edit this section, we can edit the text, we can edit the logo, we can edit the form too. Even we have all the access. So just click on publish. Once you click on publish, the contact page has been published for your website. Now you can view it, your customer or client can view it too. Second, if you want to add a section in your page, so just click on the section. It is next to the element option. Just click on add section and you have option here. So you can choose a blank section, like I am choosing a blank section here. So here you can see our section has been made. So here you can add a AI section generator, or you can add a design section. So you can choose anything you want. Like I want to add an element, so I will click on add element option, and here I will scroll down and I will find out which element will be good for me. And in this element option you can see that we have lots of element options. So I will find out a video. I want to add a video, so I will click on the video option. Once I click on the video option, they have some transparent video option, video mask option. This is the option. It's looked really nice for now, so I will add this one into my contact button. So this is really easy option, so you can preview it right now. Just click on the publish again and check out your preview, and you will find out that your section is working perfectly. So you can see it's looking really nice right now, and it is really eye-catchy. And you can see the menu bar, it already attached with the page. So whenever you click on t-shirt shop, it will be redirect you to the home page. And also you can see that the product page option here, and you have the authority to edit it also. So let's dive into the dashboard page so you can understand further more about Wix. So back to the editor option and then go to the site. If you click here, you will find out more option. Let me give you the example. Once you click on the site, then you have the option here, my dashboard. Just click over here, then it will be open a new tab in a redirect option. So here you can see we have further option here. So click one. I will explore everything for you. In here there is an option for connected domain, but I don't want to connect any domain right now, so I will ignore it. So here has a free plan. Right now you can see we are using free plan. If you want to purchase any plan, so you can go from this place, and then you will have the site and mobile app. If you want to SEO from this section, you can do your SEO. You can increase your site speed too by using this section. So you can do your work by using your mobile phone. You don't need to use a desktop or laptop, so you can do with your mobile app by using this app. Also there have some other existing features we need to be know, that is analytics. So here you can find out your traffic, how much traffic do you get in this today or tomorrow. Then you have real-time option. Here you can see from which country people are visiting your website. You can see live visitor here, you can see visitor 30 minutes here. Also you can see behavior, customer behavior. It is really important for marketing. So if you understand customer behavior, then easily you can target them for your new products or upcoming products. Also the next one is marketing. Marketing is important. Without marketing you cannot grow your business, so this section will be really mandatory for you. Here you can do email marketing, you can do organic search option, you can do paid campaign and other stuff. You will find out if you purchase their premium plan. You also find out the insist option. So these options are really important for your growing website. And also you can see the sales option. If you go to this section, you will find out that how much product you sell today or how much growth you are facing right now. Sales overview, you can see the sales overview here. So it is totally a package where you can do your all the stuff in a dashboard. So you are getting a website which is looking really great, and you are getting a dashboard which is well organized for you, so you can easily do anything in here. So if you want to add your domain, just you need to go in the setting. Once you go in the setting, you will find out your website setting, or you have the domain option. So in here, if you need to just click on the update now, and you can add your desired domain here. So it is totally easy process. If you watch the full video till the end, I hope you already understand how you can create a full website from scratch to intermediate level. I hope you loved the video, and in this video I try my best to understand every simple process one by one. So if you love this video, just hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching full video till the end.